Hey everyone, welcome back to Expert Tech Talk. Today, I'll show you how to turn your Windows 10 or 11 PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot. No extra software, totally free. Let's get started. Open Settings. Click the Start button or press Windows plus I to open Settings. Navigate to Mobile Hotspot. Go to Network and Internet, then select Mobile Hotspot. Enable the hotspot. Turn on Share My Internet connection with other devices. Choose whether you're sharing via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. To customize your hotspot, click Edit to set your network name and password. Make it something easy to remember but secure. Now, on your phone or another device, search for the Wi-Fi network you just created, enter the password, and you're online. Works great in hotels, cafes, or during emergencies. If it's not working, check your PC's Wi-Fi drivers or Windows updates. And that's it. You've just turned your PC into a portable Wi-Fi hub. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and check out more tech tips on this channel. See you in the next one.